maintenance technician, engineer, designer, programmer. You are the backbone of the industrial world, and Automation Direct is here to assist you in completing your projects on time and under budget. We offer multiple avenues of technical support to ensure you can accomplish your assignments with ease. On every product page, you can quickly find helpful product information, including tech specs, manuals, quick start guides, and software download links. We provide 2D and 3D drawings of all of our products, as well as an online viewer to give you quick familiarization. We provide a large library of informative videos to help educate and enhance your automation and product knowledge. You can log on 24 hours a day and visit our free online community site where you can find quick solutions using articles, downloads, and discussions. And best of all, if you need product assistance, you can call, chat, or email our free award-winning technical support team. This group of highly trained and experienced specialists can provide quick answers and the needed support to accomplish any project. At Automation Direct, we make sure you have all the required tools to implement our products into your production line. Because when you succeed, we succeed. Click here to find out more on our free support options. And click here to see more about Automation Direct.